We are back with the Fabfitfun Summer 2023 unboxing. Welcome back, and if you're new here, my name is Brittany and I do home and lifestyle here on this channel. That includes shop with me's for home decor, hauls, and homemaking videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and bi-weekly on Sundays. So if you're interested in that sort of content, then you can hit the subscribe button below, and let's get into today's video. I've got the summer box here. It's been sitting in my foyer. I hadn't unboxed it yet. So let's see what we got. I did pick some of these, but it was quite some time ago, maybe a couple of months ago when they had the customization. So I don't remember what I picked because after a while, these boxes just start running together. They did do away with the magazines. Remember Fabfitfun and CosBox and all the other lifestyle boxes used to have the big magazine? They realized that it was wasteful, so they stopped doing that. But they do now, it looks like, print all of the advertisements that they want to make inside of the actual box. And then you can scan a QR code here and go online and shop and look and probably find out more information about the product. So I see a big box here. This first one, it says Kate Spade on it. Kate Spade was actually one of my first designer, not purchases, but gifts in my youth. Someone bought me a Kate Spade brown bag. It was like leather. It was so pretty, and I just remember it because it was like my first designer thing when I was a kid. I think they make great quality. I didn't realize that they do home products as well. So this is a cute lemon picture. It's acrylic. These are cups on the inside. Kate Spade, you see? So cute. So this is acrylic. I love the lemons on it. Very spring and summer appropriate. And then it came with 2 little cups as well. I think this is perfect to serve outside if you're doing like an outdoor patio dining or something like that. And the cups are just 2 acrylic pink cups, which are really cute. The set all together, really nice. I don't know the price on this. Again, they don't include the magazines anymore. I can't remember, like I said, but I think that may have been one that I picked. So this one I also picked. This is my tag-alongs, and it's a luggage scale. I felt like I really needed a luggage scale because when I do travel, I never know how heavy my luggage is, and I always kind of want to know just to make sure there isn't an issue. Typically, I don't check bags. I just take my carry-ons and just pack everything I need in my carry-ons. But for those longer trips, which I am taking this year, I might just have to do it. And so I felt that having a luggage scale would be perfect because I can weigh my family's luggage before we even get in the car to go, and we'll know what's what before we even hit the airport. There won't be any problems. So if it's too heavy, we can remove something. So I thought that this would come in handy. So I picked this up, and it's a pretty pink rose. And apparently you just hook it to your luggage and then you can pick it up and it will tell you how heavy it is. So that's pretty cool. Then I have Selfless by Haram. I did not pick this one. So this is a daily gel cleanser. I always love getting beauty products, so it's fun to try out new stuff. Here's the products here. It is a centella and green tea daily gel cleanser. This one is made from sugar cane, it says. So it might be like a sugar scrub to help exfoliate. I'm not really sure. It doesn't give the details here. It's hydrating glycerin. Cool. I've never heard of Selfless. Cute name. Sounds like a good product, so we'll give it a try. I see another one. This is a vacation classic lotion. This is a SPF 30 sunscreen. If it's got that white cast, which a lot of sunscreens do, I'll probably literally just use it on my body. When it comes to sunscreen on my face, the only sunscreens I use on my face are the one that doesn't do the white cast. It's like a gel. I really like that one. I don't really wear sunscreen every day. I know you're supposed to. But just being honest, I don't. But when I do wear it on my face, as I know I'm going to be in the sun for prolonged periods of time, then I will wear the ones that don't have white cast on the face. The next one I see is Short Stories. So this is a ceramic tray. This is one that I picked because I was looking for something that I could use in my home. I think this is a really pretty tray too. So far it looks like we got a couple of lifestyle home products and then 2 beauty skincare product. Now we have this lifestyle home product, which is more of a decor item. Oh yes. I thought it was black though. Whoa. Look how pretty. This is beautiful. So as you can see, it has a dip to it, and it's this beautiful nautical blue, navy blue. I don't know if it's used for, like if it could be used for food, but I think it would be perfect for entertaining. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. This is so pretty. I love the design on this. I thought when I was picking it out that it was black and white. It kind of looks black and white online, and the box that it came in was a little deceiving too because it's actually black and white, but no, this is blue and white and very pretty. I'll put that in my serveware cabinet because I'll probably use it for serveware. So the last product we have is jewelry. If you're interested in the price of any of these items, let me know in the comments below and I can let you know what they are in particular. I really enjoyed getting the magazines though, because then you could just tally up what everything in your box costs and you can easily see how much everything actually costs versus what you actually paid for the box. And it's always better to just get the box because the box is only like $50 every 3 months and you get well over $100 worth of things. I think it's closer to $200 to $300 worth of things. These are cute. So these are little stud earrings by Elizabeth Stone. You can see. I don't know if that's picking up on camera, but they're just a really pretty iridescent pearly looking type stud, and then it also has a gold bar next to it, so they're just really pretty. I'll probably stick these in because I have a pearl in my second hole, so when I put these on, this will look really nice. I always love getting jewelry in my lifestyle boxes because I'm a jewelry girl and I love jewelry. Actually sands free on my necklace right now because I forgot to put it on, but typically I wear my Mickey Disney ears in these ears that I got from Disney World. My favorite type of earring is a stud. When I was younger, I loved the longer earrings, the dangly ones. But now that I'm older, I find that I like studs. I've actually always really loved studs. Studs have always been my favorite earring. But I really used to like dangly earrings when I was young too. But now that I'm older, I really don't like it. I don't like stuff like hanging on my neck. So here we go. These are the earrings. They are very pretty. So adds a little sparkle, a little razzle dazzle. I actually like this box. This is really cute. I'll definitely get use out of all of this. Also, the beautiful tray. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful to see what I got in my Fabfitfun Summer box. Again, I've been getting these boxes for years now and I highly recommend them. You can get some really good quality stuff for way less than you would pay if you just bought it. And it's not like you're under a contract or anything. I mean, if you don't want to get a box, you can not get it the next time and just cancel your subscription before they charge your card. So highly recommend. I absolutely love it. Oh, and I'm thinking about signing back up for BoxyCharm, and I just recently found out that BoxyCharm was purchased by Ipsy. If you've been here since my beauty review days, then you remember I used to review Ipsy and BoxyCharm and the likes, but they still do the glam bag, and now they do BoxyCharm, which is like their mid box, and then they have an icon box, which is like bigger and more products. So I'm trying to decide which one I want, but I say all that to say if you're interested in seeing some makeup, skincare, and beauty unboxings again here on this channel, let me know and then I can unbox them on camera for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more content like this. You can also hit the bell and you'll be notified on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and bi-weekly on Sundays. On Mondays, I do shop with me at all my favorite home decor stores. Wednesdays, I take you to Walmart to see what's new at the dollar spot. On Fridays, I take you to Target to see what's new at the dollar shop and more home decor. Sundays, bi-weekly, I bring you home style content. So I hope to see you in another video, which might be somewhere on your screen. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful.